women's wing of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad takes over 2 of Jaipur's 5 Mahila Salha Evam Suraksha Kendras created to combat violence against women. In India Matters, we look at the politics of that in Rajasthan, but we also look at the concept of the special cell as it was pioneered in Mumbai and is now set to expand across the country. In North Jaipur, counsellors from the Matru Shakti Seva Nayas work at the Mahila Salha Evam Suraksha Kendra, an institution set up in Rajasthan in 2002 that brought the police, women's organizations and the State Women and Child Department or WCD together to empower women who were survivors of violence. In October 2016, a committee headed by the Zilla Pramukh or district head, which consists of the collector, the SP and members of the WCD, put the Matru Shakti in charge of 2 of Jaipur's 5 women's cells, in Jaipur South and Jaipur North, which is a Muslim-dominated area. The decision led to outrage from civil society organizations as the Matru Shakti is the women's wing of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad.
It's difficult to get a clear sense of what exactly the Matru Shakti Seva Sangathan does. They have a presence in the VHP office, but very little public access to their activities. They claim that they have been counseling women in distress for a long time. But what does emerge predictably and very obviously is the mindset that drives an organization like this.
मुख्य कार्य जो है मातृ शक्ति सेवा न्यास का कि मातृ शक्ति को जीवंत रखना, क्योंकि अधिकारों का हो हल्ला मचा करके जब परिवारों को तोड़ने की बात सब लोग करते हैं कि परिवार के बिखराव और अधिकार के नाम पर महिला को, तो मातृशक्ति का फोकस ही ये है कि महिला सहचरणी है, सहधर्मिणी है, ना कि वो अधिकार का नाम लेकर के परिवार को बिखेरे। और जहां पर फिजिकल टॉर्चरिंग आती है या फिर शराब का अधिक सेवन करने से पति द्वारा टॉर्चर की जाती है, तो ऐसी महिलाओं के बचाव के लिए भी कार्य किए जाते हैं। पति को नक्शा मुक्ति केंद्रों में भेजा जाता है, तो ऐसे डिफरेंट कार्य करती है मातृशक्ति सेवा न्यास।
पर इसमें ये है कि फैमिली पैरामाउंट है, ये हम
एक्चुअल में फैमिली इज द बेस ऑफ आवर नेशन, जिसे कहते हैं हमारी संस्कृति जो है, संस्कृति का आधार जो है परिवार है, और परिवार है वो महिला के त्याग और सेवा से पल्लवित हुआ है, मैं ये वर्ड कहूंगी। और उसको बिखेरना चाहे वो कैसी भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो पाश्चात्य संस्कृति के ओढ़ में, जिसे कहते हैं ना कि हम भौतिकतावाद की जो दौड़ के अंदर टॉर्चरिंग जो हुआ है उसको खत्म करना।
It's important to hear Nimisha Gaur at length to see how often she drives home the fact that an Indian woman's key role is to keep the family unit intact.
भारतीय महिला तो राइट्स क्या, उसके पास सब कुछ है, वो बेस है इस देश का, नेशन का बेस है। और रही बात आज जो जितनी भी अभी जो घटनाएं बढ़ रही हैं, दुर्घटनाएं बढ़ रही हैं, उन पे अंकुश लगाने के लिए आवश्यकता है कि हम सब मिलकर के एक सोच करें, एक हमारे अतीत को पहचाने, हमारी जड़ों को पहचाने और अधिकार के नाम पर परिवार को ना हनन करें। ये प्रयास है, परिवार ना टूटे, डाइवोर्स केसेस कम से कम हो, और जहां पर वाकई में अत्याचार हो रहा है किसी महिला के साथ, टॉर्चरिंग हो रही है, तो उसका सॉल्यूशन हो।
Gaur then goes on to attack the NGOs who've been working in the special cells for the past decade, accusing them of breaking families.
उनके आंकड़े देखे जाकर के उन्होंने कितने डाइवोर्स करा, और हम किस एजेंडे को लेकर और क्या कार्य करेंगे वो तो उन्हें देखना होगा। एक मुख्य बात जो है वो यही है कि हमारे परिवार ना बिखरें, और परिवारों में, क्योंकि परिवार की जो कर्ता धर्ता जो नारी है, वो नारी का एक स्वरूप और है अर्थोत्पादन का, तो पुरुष भी सहयोग करे, ये भी सामंजस्य बैठा है, पूरा परिवार एक बना रहे, ये एकमात्र दायित्व है मातृशक्ति का।
Rhetoric like this set alarming precedents as they violate counseling principles, say experts. For one, it gives women who face relentless violence at home no recourse to get out should they need to. Worse, it perpetrates the myth that counsellors at the Kendras work to break families, which is far from the truth. Data from Rajasthan's own women's cells reveal that in the past decade, in more than 94% of the cases, women seek mediation to help stop the domestic violence through counselling in order to continue their marriages. Less than 4% file for divorce and less than 2% actually press criminal charges. This decision also brings the political wing right into the heart of the policing system.
The most secular institution of India is the police station, and that is now being destroyed. What is very, very disturbing, that You need skilled people. You need organizations who work for women's empowerment. The government has just pushed aside the competent, the organizations that understood this job.
Kavita Srivastava, a well-known activist from Rajasthan, was part of the first MOU in January 2000 between the Rajasthan Police and 9 women organizations that led to the start of the first Women's Suraksha Sahitya Kendra. Its success led the Rajasthan government to replicate the model across 40 districts. The VHP aggressively argues that politics always existed, as the first MOU had some women linked to political organizations like the CPM's Women Wing IDWA or NFIW, the CPI's Women Wing.
ये बड़ा आश्चर्यजनक और एक प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाने वाली बात है कि 10 साल से एक ही संस्था, प्रत्येक वर्ष उनका एक कॉल होता था और एक ही संस्था कार्य कर रही है, तो ये अपने आप में उस प्रशासनिक संस्था के लिए भी प्रश्न चिन्ह है कि कैसे आप एक ही संस्था के और कोई नहीं सी संस्था.
This distorts ground reality, clarifies Kavita Srivastava. Councillors were never from political wings and different women organizations were working voluntarily till 2010.
They felt that such a scheme that women's groups on their own initiatives had been doing should be picked up and it should be universalized. However, I think what is very, very critical is that it doesn't mean that any organization can walk in. You have to have secular ideology. You cannot have an ideology where on the one hand, you've led protests to the Babri Masjid, or you are doing training of Chakku Churri as Durga Vahini.
Ideology has no space. In fact, the very concept of an institution like this, points out development professional Jasween Ahluwalia, was to give women more options than those that exist within the criminal legal system.
No political or social maneuvering should have a space within the center itself. So having political party affiliated, irrespective of the fact that they are left, center or right, those are systems that we need to set into place from the start. The mandate and the reason we started these centers was to give women an agency and a voice. So having organizations which have very clear or deep-seated beliefs on what women's roles are. You come with a certain value base, and it goes against counseling principles. It has to be, you have to put aside your own judgment and own values and allow a woman to tell you what she wants and to explore options which make sense for her life and not based on how you see the view.